Hello friends, my name is Icholi and today I'm going to show you how we can install and activate WordPress theme. Okay, without that said, let's jump in. First and foremost, you need to have your theme. My theme is here, it's called ColorMag. It's here. Now, this is now the theme which we have installed. This one comes automatically with WordPress. But we need to install a new theme so that our website will look somehow okay. Now we come to localhost, the folder where our WordPress is, and then we say wp admin, say to wp admin, okay? Then we wait. Okay, this is how it looks now. Okay, this is how it will look. Now we need to install a theme, so we come here to appearance, then we say theme. From here we say add a new theme, then we come to offload. When we offload, we choose, okay? Then we come to our theme. The theme is ColorMag. Then we open it. See, ColorMag is here. Then we install. You see, it says the offload file exceeds the offload maximum. Don't worry. Don't worry when you see this thing. Don't worry. So from here, what we do, we minimize. Then we go to my computer. Then we open C. We go to Xampp. We go to htdocs. Let me maximize here so that you can see. Then this is our folder. This is where we have installed our WordPress. So we open this one. Then we come to WP content. Then we come to themes. Okay. The current theme we have is 2017. That one is automatic when you install WordPress theme. Now we need to install our what? Our ColorMag theme. Okay. We copy. Then we paste here. Okay. After pasting, now we need to extract. Okay. Our theme is extracting. See, our theme is extracting. Let it finish. Then I will show you how we can activate this. Now ColorMag is here, so we delete the compressed one. Okay, we delete this one. Then we close. Then we come here. Then here we have to refresh. Then we are coming to themes. As you can see, this is our theme. ColorMag here now is our theme. The only thing we are remaining is to activate. Now over here, then we activate the theme. So we wait it is activating. Okay. Now our theme is active. So we come here, we refresh. See, this is how our theme will look like. Okay, this is how our theme will look like. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we can design this website from start to finish.